Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking these cards, guys. So we are picking cards for your general energy from this deck. So for your relationship and career situation, guys, I'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Gemini. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, Gemini. We have the Fool, Page of Swords in reverse and Six of Swords in reverse. So Gemini, in your situation today, guys, you are moving towards some kind of a decision. You are approaching a time you need to make an important choice. So it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, but you are really confident and you are simply rushing. You want to make the choice and move on, step into the step into what is next for you. So some kind of curiosity, expectation, cheerfulness is there in your life today, in your circumstance today. So you are extremely cheerful. Maybe some new projects have come up, or you are making this responsible choice for the first time. So you are simply happy, really confident about your choice or about your power or what needs to be done. So some kind of confidence and cheerfulness you have today. That is what is making you rush into some decisions today, guys. So it may be some important decisions in your work or some important decisions for this love, for this relationship. But you are making those choices without deep thought. So you do not know what will be the consequences, but you are rushing towards something. Maybe for some of you, I see you moving into a relationship without thinking. You are simply, if you are open to a new relationship, you are seeing someone new, you are interested in them, and without any further thought you are simply rushing into this connection. Maybe you are charmed by their appearance, and you have you see yourself madly attracted to this person, and you are head over heels in love with this person. So you are trying to be trying to act mature, but your actions are speaking otherwise, because you are rushing into this connection. You simply want to be with them, and maybe for some of you this is your energy towards this relationship. This person's visit or meeting this person is quite unexpected, and the way they are proposing to you or the way you are proposing to them is something very unexpected. So there is a love proposal also, guys, today. So it is either you proposing to this person or they proposing to you. So some kind of an unexpected love, unexpected attraction, unexpected new relationship coming in your life today, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have all that glitters. So maybe for some of you guys, we were speaking of mad attraction. Maybe you need to be quite careful, guys. This attraction may be something superficial. It may not be on the truth about this person. Maybe you are just attracted to their beauty or charm, or however they are showing themselves, whatever they are showing about themselves. So something based on that superficial things. So you need to be careful whether this person is what they truly seem to be, guys. So that sparkly new thing you are attracted to, and it may not be gold, guys. So you have to be really careful. So sometimes in life we are deeply attracted to the dramatic elements of that person, which is more appealing to ourselves. So what is hidden behind that sparkle and shine? You need to see what it is. You need to relate to that truthful person inside, that glamour and glitz that you see outside on the surface, guys. So what is the essence of this person? And maybe sometimes that other person may also get attracted to us by the way we are, by our charm and our beauty, or the way we behave. So something which we which we show out, and not for the truth in our heart, what we truly are. So we must go for that authentic shine, guys. Authentic shine, that true feelings. So maybe if that is the case with you, if you are simply attracted to their external beauty, you have to watch your next step, Gemini. Be really careful to avoid some kind of sadness or stress. Maybe in their heart of hearts they may be something entirely different. So you need that understanding and clarity today, guys, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. To the sea. So this card just means that you need to go with the flow, trust the way things are happening today. Maybe there may be certain things unfolding in your situation. Maybe some opportunities may reach you, some opportunities may get delayed or suspended. So you need to go with the flow and see where things are leading. So sometimes we may feel something may work out for us, and we may expect things to unfold in a particular way, but when things are going differently, we may feel worried or sad. But you need to understand that the higher spirit or universe or God, whatever you call it, is guiding us towards the things which will work well for us, which will work for the best for us in our career situation, guys. So something you may feel may not work, may work miraculously, guys, and it may give us the results much more expected than before. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.